Watermelon is a nice hot red-pink color fruit and is grown around the world and everyone loves to eat. Watermelon contains 92% water and only about 6% is sugar, which makes it very sweet. Watermelon have a green rind on the outside and a red-pink flesh on the inside, with black seeds. In today's topic I am going to talk about the healthy beneficial effects of watermelon, which is mainly derived from its unique nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and organic compounds. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Here are the top beneficial effects of watermelon. Number 1. Nutritional powerhouse. Watermelon is full of many nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and organic compounds such as vitamin A, vitamin B1, B3 and B6, vitamin C, potassium, calcium, magnesium, fiber, protein and a great amount of carotenoids, phytonutrients, lycopene. Number 2. Improve sexual health. Watermelon is one of the richest natural sources of L-citrulline, an amino acid that can help make your erection harder. L-arginine stimulates the production of nitric oxide, which increases blood flow to the penis and strengthening erections. It also contains arginine, which is beneficial in curing erectile dysfunction and can boost libido and reduce frigidity. Number 3. Prevents heat stroke. Due to high amount of water in watermelon, it can stimulate a release of excess liquid in the form of sweat, which cools your body during hot summer days and protect from heat stroke by lowering body temperature. Number 4. Regulates blood pressure. Presence of potassium and magnesium in watermelons is very beneficial for heart, thus it can regulate blood pressure. Potassium is a potent vasodilator, help dilates blood vessels and arteries, stimulating blood flow, reducing the stress on the cardiovascular system and prevent the chances of blood clots, strokes, heart attacks, and atherosclerosis. Number 5. Prevents kidney stone. Watermelons contain a lot of potassium, which is very helpful in reducing the concentration of uric acid level in the blood and thereby reducing the chances of formation of renal stone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then drop a like, leave a comment. It means a lot to us, and don't forget to subscribe.